Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making this delicious crispy French fries. I love French fries. Let's start off by gathering our ingredients. Here we have 8 cups of cold water, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of corn syrup, 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening, 4 cups of vegetable oil, and last but not least, 4 russet large potatoes. We're going to start off with the brine. In a bowl, add in your cold water. Next, add in your salt, the white vinegar, and the corn syrup. You're going to mix it all until it completely dissolves. Now that we have the brine ready, we're going to start with the potatoes. Start peeling them and make sure they're completely washed. Now that the potatoes are ready, we're going to start slicing them into French fries. If you have a French fry potato cutter, you can use it here. If you don't have one like us, you can just slice them into even strings. Place them in the cold brine as you slice them. Make sure they're completely submerged. And repeat the process until you're done with all of them. Now that we're done, we're going to make sure they're completely submerged, cover the brine, and put it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. I know, it's hard to wait, but trust me, the results are going to be delicious. Now that it's been 2 hours, we're going to start cooking these babies. Drain and rinse them twice with cold water, and then pat them completely dry. I mean completely dry. They should end up looking something like this before you cook them. Just wanted to take a quick moment to remind you guys to like and subscribe to our channel. Now add in your 4 cups of oil into a pan and wait until it's hot. You'll see the bubbles moving like so, you'll know it's ready. It should be 300 degrees, just like in Texas. Start adding in your potatoes, but be careful because this can be very hot. You're going to cook them in batches for about 5 minutes, then place on paper towels. They're going to be soft, but that's normal because we're going to refry them. Just a quick tip, if you want to store some to cook later, you can go ahead and freeze these for up to a week. Just make sure to place them in an airtight bag after frying them for the first time. Just make sure you let them cool off first. And when you're ready to cook these, just make sure you follow the second step of frying them. Man, these smell delicious. process until we're done frying them for the first time. Now that we're done, we're going to start frying them for the second time. Just add in your vegetable shortening and increase the heat to 400 degrees. Make sure you're careful because this can be very hot. After it's ready, you're going to add in your French fries and you're going to fry them all over again until golden brown. Make sure not to overcrowd it. After they're ready, remove them and place them on paper towels. Season with salt right away. Our crispy French fries. You can also add some cheese on top and make some chili cheese fries. But today I'm gonna have them the regular old-fashioned way with just ketchup and some ranch. Yay! Yum! Delicioso! Dip it in some ketchup or in some ranch, and in they go. French fries, and more French fries. Ooh-wee! I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious French fries video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.